Welcome to Real Judaism with Rabbi Ari Klapper. Unfiltered wisdom for Jewish life.
Kosuf. Vesarvane abonecha bechatuzech tuchpar shalvon sar mamish me Mesilas v'nekar b'mashe achshav mitztayer mitnachem amash ha'ayim aveira. This pasuk in Yeshaya, Chazal teaching us that the actual aveira that a person does when he does tshuva is actually uprooted, which is an unbelievable thing. And it's replaced by the pain that a person has that they did, and retroactively it takes away the stain of the aveira. Chesed, this is an amazing chesed. This is certainly not the din. The din, if there would be strict judgment, you need to have to pay for what you did. On the other hand, this is a rachamim. This is a mercy that Hashem has on us. But it certainly does not take away the din. Why? Because we can understand that there still is din over here. Because in replacement of the desire, of the pleasure, the pleasure that you receive from doing this chet, this sin, in its replacement becomes a feeling of pain, a feeling of how could I have done this to my Creator. Just take a second to speak about this point. It's an amazing, amazing thing. We can't do anything against Hashem. We can't. Everything that happens in this world is Ratzon Hashem. Also, when we do a sin, what do we do? What are we doing? So really, in my Shabbos Malchus this year, I explained this greater length, but I'll do it in a shorter way over here. When something is done against the Ratzon of Hashem, it has to be changed. There's nothing can be Ratzon Hashem. It has to be undone. How does it get undone? That is through the justice that Hashem does. The punishment. The punishment makes it as if it wasn't done. Again, we're not going to go through the details of right now how that works. But with regards to what we're talking about, there's an amazing, amazing idea over here. There isn't that there's no justice over here. There is justice. But the justice is coming in a different form. The justice is not in the form of a punishment. The justice is in the form of my pain that I did such a thing. How could I have chosen to not serve Hashem, to purposely sin against Hashem? And what if it wasn't on purpose? What say it was by accident I did it? Yes, but you got something out of it. There was something that you got out of it, even if it was something that was small that you got out of it. You got something out of it, even if it was by accident. Even I didn't realize it was a sin, but I got something out of it. That also has to be undone. So there too, a person needs to have pain, even by accident. How could I have possibly done such a thing to my Creator? That pain itself is what takes away that stain of the sin, because it actually brings me closer to Hashem. It actually turns it into the desire of Hashem to be close to Him and to see Him more in our lives. And that's the whole purpose. So too, the fact that Hashem gives us time, that's not that Hashem is overlooking the sin just because He gives us time. Rather, it's Hashem's patience. That Hashem wants to give us time. Wake up, Hashem says. I'm giving you time. Wake up. This is what happened in the Dor HaMabul. The Dor HaMabul was happening. It was terrible, but Hashem didn't take them right away. The pasuk says that He was going to give them another extra 120 years. And in fact, even at the very, very, very end, but right before, a week before, Chazal tell us Hashem was going to destroy the world. Hashem did all kinds of nisim, all kinds of crazy things that happen in the world to wake people up. Do tshuva. I don't want to destroy the world. I want to have rachmanis to allow you to fix all the problems that you did in a way that we don't have to destroy the world. But people didn't wake up. But we can wake up. We can take a Kodesh Baruch Hu's rachmanus and turn that into real closeness to Hashem. And that rachmanus will join in the justice, in the din, in order to really bring out the Ratzon Hashem. That's the purpose of the rachmanus. V'chein kol shar darechei chesed. Same things with other types of chesed that Hashem gives. B'ra mezaka abo, or mixas nefesh k'chol nefesh. These two concepts that are brought in Chazal, that a Kodesh Baruch Hu judges in a certain way, which might seem to be lenient, and in a way it actually changes. It actually brings out this point as well of fixing ourselves to come close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Hamuskarim b'divrei chachamim darchei chesed heim lekabel et hamuad k'meruba. That HaKadosh Baruch Hu accepts even something that seems to be smaller. Obviously, the yisur and the difficulties that a person has seems much, much bigger than just the charata. But really, what does Hashem want more? Even though it seems to be little, or much smaller, what does Hashem really want more? You know what He wants more? He wants your heart. He wants you to be close to Him. That's what's more important, which is why the teshuva is more meaningful to HaKadosh Baruch Hu than the pain that a person gets as a punishment. Because when a person really does teshuva, they're actually doing exactly what the Ratzon Hashem is, and that's getting closer to Him. Hashem doesn't want to have to use the derech of punishment, but He will if there is no other way. And that's why the midah of rachamim does not contradict the midah of din. The midah of rachamim shows and changes the midah of din so that it should be in a way that it actually fulfills the purpose of it even better.
Thank you for joining Real Judaism, where we explore Torah's wisdom for real life. Created by J Foundations and produced by Eli Podcast Productions. Find more episodes at realjudaism.org and subscribe wherever you listen to podcasts.